Okay, so today we're here with a 2017 Mercedes-Benz Marathoner, and it came due to lack of cool air. So as a result, what we did was we went ahead and we went and diagnosed it to see what was the issue. First thing I did was I went and I inspected to see if there were any leaks. There were not, so that's a good thing. And so down here are going to be your couplings for your AC system. Went ahead and I felt it. The cold side, it was not cold to the touch. So that was a good clue for me that maybe it was low on refrigerant. And the warm side was warm, but it was not hot. Now, specifically on this car, the only thing I don't like is how close it is to the exhaust, because I just spent the majority of my time as I'm trying to put on the coupling burning my hand. Now, I also realized that this vehicle has a dual system for the AC unit. It has one in the front and also one in the rear. And the total pounds that this is supposed to have was 4.03 pounds. And what I ended up pulling out of the system was a total of 2.436 pounds. And so it was roughly about 1.59 pounds shy of the proper refrigerant that it's supposed to have in the system. So as a result, what I did was I went ahead and I put the proper amount back in there, and now the vehicle is flowing a whole lot smoother and colder than what it did prior to coming back to me. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell as we're on the road to 500 followers. Once we hit that 500 followers, I will be doing a giveaway, and the only thing that you need to do is just give me your name and your address, and I will ship that out to you free of charge. Also, the only way to qualify for that is you must be a follower. Go ahead and like and comment under all of my videos, and I do keep track of everything. So I'll see y'all in the next video.